We're on our way in to the Indian mound. John and Raechel are gonna do a ceremony. She's part Native American and has brought her personal drum that she's used in other occasions and powwows and whatnot. And then John borrowed his from a Native American friend of his. Here we go back into the forest. Mile-and-a-half walk to the Indian mound. And these two are gonna have a ceremony.
So my name is Raechel Webster. I'm with the Natchitoches tribe of Louisiana. I'm a member of that tribe, and my ancestors, they were part of the Caddo Confederacy. We're planning on playing music here in the forest and hopefully channeling the spirit of nature and the spirit of the Ivory Bill. These are woods that my ancestors would have traveled in their time, and just sort of bring ourselves closer to nature and impart the spirit of what we're doing, so that hopefully the Ivory Bill can feel us and know that our intents are pure, and we're just out here for, you know, the love of nature, the love of God.
Sounds like what I would consider an ivory bill knocking on a tree. I mean,
I think I heard a double knock.
If a bird,
yeah, I heard a double knock.
That was a double knock. It was like, wow, I was.
Yeah, one of the birds answered, but also I heard the forest like answering us. That was really powerful.